Hello everyone, it's Fxver here, and today we're talking about the brand new DLSS update. We've now reached the version 310.5.2, which introduces automatic preset selection when using always use latest in NVIDIA App settings or through NVIDIA Profile Inspector. Let me show you how it works. Here you can see that I've selected DLSS performance, and as you can tell from the DLSS overlay, the correct preset M is being applied. I've also enabled my custom overlay so you can get a better idea of both performance and visual quality. Now let's do the same thing by switching to DLSS Ultra Performance, which should result in preset L being used. And that's exactly what happens. It's honestly impressive to know that what you're seeing here is rendered at 480p. DLSS 4.5 is doing a great job here. As you know, NVIDIA discourages using this preset with DLAA quality and balanced, so let's see if the system now automatically applies preset K, which it didn't do before and caused quite a bit of confusion. And it works. I'll also show you the Profile Inspector, which confirms that this is the latest DLSS version. Keep in mind that this update will roll out in a stable release next week through the NVIDIA App. But if you want to try it right now, you'll need to opt into the NVIDIA App beta channel. I hope you enjoyed the video, leave a like, subscribe if you want, and I'll see you in the next one.